lot of these cases in 2025, they look like aquariums for some reason, but there were a couple of that caught my eye, namely this Corsair 9000D. And also, I actually like this Asus Helios case with the silver accent, silver aluminum accent, very classy looking. But I think for the most part, most of the cases that I was seeing have this aquarium style case. And I'm just comparing it with the case that I have now, which is this case over here, CMStacker Evo case. This was actually built in 2006. This case is far better than a lot of the cases that I'm seeing at Microcenter, and this case was built in 2006.